There you are. Hello! Today is, I believe, day 6 of the cleaning challenge, and today we are cleaning vents and filters. I don't have any filters that I need cleaned, but I do have an air purifier that needs to be cleaned. So we're going to clean that instead of filters. Alright? Okay, let's do this. Okay. Okay. There we go. You can see this one. I gotta make sure I'm pointing the camera the right way. Here we go. Done. Okay. Now we're gonna clean the air purifier. Now all you gotta do is sneeze, and these things are dirty. Like, it doesn't take much. Okay, get ready for the back. Get ready. Like I said, all you gotta do is sneeze and these things get dirty. Okay, now this should be clean because I just replaced these filters. Oops. Not that long ago. Yep. We're good. Okay. Close that back up. And put it back in the corner. All right, last one. Okay, where are you? Oh, gotta bring you up. Gotta bring you up. Okay, there we go. The end of day 6. That was all the registers. I actually don't have as many registers in the house as you might think. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you again really soon.